Felipe here, and in this video I will give you 20 silly and funny texts for him that will crack him up. If you like this content in the channel, please consider subscribing. The first message you can send him is, I wanted to send you something that would make you smile, but the mailman told me to get out of the mailbox and add sad emoji to it. Oh, this message will definitely make him smile. The second message is, me without you is like a nerd without braces, shoes without laces, and a sentence without spaces. So cheesy, but totally works. Third message is, well, I am an unemployed girl with a certificate in cuddling, a diploma in caring, and a degree in kissing. Do you have a job for me? Employment guaranteed. The four messages you can use is, excuse me, I just dropped something, looking at your pictures again. Oh, it's my Joe! And my art as well. Now, the five message is, your body has 65% water and guess what? I am very thirsty at the moment. See, now, this one is a winner, right? Now, the sixth message is, do you know how much do penguins weigh? Enough to break the ice. Hello! A savior when you have that tiny argument. Now, the seventh message is, I love you as much as I love fries. Jeez, that's a lot of love, right? Now, the eighth one is, how you doing? Joey smile. You know, the sentence from Friends. Any Friends fan is going to smile through this at any point of the day. Now, the ninth message is, I can't decide what I want more, food or you. Food, no, you. Maybe food on you. Yummy. Now, the 10th message is, I am not a photographer, but I can still picture you and me together in my bed. Little sexual. Now, the 11th message is, if you were a vegetable, you know what you will be? A cucumber. Enough said. The 12th message is, you are under arrest for being too cute. Your punishment is to be silent, and if not followed, then you will be silenced with kisses. Isn't it a cute and funny invite for a makeout? Let's be honest here. Now the 13th message is, I want you to have a candlelit dinner and say those magical 3 words to you. Pay the bill. He will definitely laugh at this one. Now the 14th message is, true love is like a pillow. You can hug it when you are in trouble. You can cry on it when you are in pain. You can embrace it when you are happy. So when you need a true love, buy a pillow. Yeah, end it with a funny twist. It works always. Now the 15th message is, I have spent many sleepless nights in your love and I don't want my son to do the same for your daughter. So let's make them brother and a sister. Did you just propose, Gab? Now the 16th message is, I will love you forever, but I can't live that long. I'm sorry. That's true. Now the 17th message is, if kissing is the language of love, then when we have a lot to talk about. And let's just stop texting. After this text, let him come over. The 18th message is, people say that love is in every corner, but I guess I must be walking in circles. What do you say? A good way to bring your crush attention to your love life. Now, the 19th message is, if you are cute, you can call me baby. If you are nice, you can call me sweetie. But if you are hot, you can call me tonight. Nothing is better than flirting with a sense of humor. Now, the 20th message is, I love you like I love my cake, like my last bite of pizza and the money in my bank. God, I really love you so much. Do you have a better way to say I love you in a funny way? So let us know if you do in the comment. These are some funny texts to make him laugh. If you like these messages and my content, please consider subscribing to my channel down below. And if you want more of me and to coach you personally, you can schedule a call with me or someone of my team of coaches right below to our coaching program that called Uplift, and we will coach you personally and even help you to write those messages to your loved one and much more. Discover down below. We have all the syllabus down below. go to my site jacobfelipe.net and see all the details for yourself. I was Jacob Felipe and I will see you in my next video. Ciao!